It's doing input shaping, and listen to this. Oh wow. It's gonna take off in a minute. So hopefully it finishes successfully, and yeah, off to the next thing. You still might be able to hear the input shaping going crazy. Takes about 50 watts of power. Now that input shaping is done, I'm gonna do outer bed leveling. Not sure what I really need to do here. And okay. Alright, let's go with 60 since I am doing PLA. And we'll see what will happen. Oh, looks like it's starting to move the way I normally expect it. Okay, here we go. Now it's doing the normal bed mesh bingo. Okay, I recognize that. Alright, we'll see if that's all it takes to start my first 3D print. And the process so far has been very straightforward and painless. Now, all that is done, and my first print will be a 3D benchy, of course. Apparently 16 minutes. 12 grams, bed leveling, time-lapse. Let's go with a time-lapse, just for kicks. And go. Okay, I'm gonna be honest, I'm not used to this kind of holy smokes, speed and noise. Holy holiness. Goodness me, what is happening? This is like a speed. Holy smokes, this is not sped up, in case you're wondering. These are my just two. Holy Jesus. If this actually prints at this speed, I will be. Everything's shaking. Like, granted, this is not the best place to have your 3D printer, but I wasn't expecting this much of a wobble. Holy cow, everything's moving. Let's check what's the power usage on this. If I can get the... no, I can't. It's not good, is it? The power consumption on this is what? 312 watts? When it's going this crazy. Holy moly. Whew. Oh my god. That she built so much. Okay, this is absolute insanity. These new CoreXY. I'm guessing this is not the speed I will be printing things, because this is just making everything wobble and shake. I need to find a better, obviously, desk for it. Holy cow. Alright, so 300 watts when it's printing. It finished the pre-sliced benching in 20 minutes. Including all the calibrations and bed leveling, yada yada. Holy cow. I'm gonna have a look at it in a minute once the bed cools down and see how good is it or not. After it all cooled down, here is the final print, and look at that. I never had the bottom printed like that on any of my previous printers. This is nice and clean, bit of wisps, but just here and there, nothing. I have not cleaned it at all. This is looking really, really good, especially for the crazy speed it was doing. Just insanity. Here is not perfect. Could be potentially better, but that's just such a small surface area. So cooling could be potentially slightly better, but overall, oh my god, this is really, really good. Super impressed with this Qidi Plus 4 printer. So that's it from my impressions of this machine that I'll be using from now on to print and prototype. So yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching.